Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, May 27, 2021 on our channel. The new Systemair rooftops range is operating with the R32 refrigerant. China condensing unit market development in 2020. Carrier commercial refrigeration adjusts pricing due to increased commodity costs. Reefer service and Refrigeration Tijuana named Carrier Transicold Dealers of the Year. UNFI adopts emerging technology from PLM. KOXKA strengthens its specialization in efficient installations with CO2. Phononic partners with Mars to deploy solid-state merchandising freezers across North America. So, first news today. The new Systemair rooftops range is operating with the R32 refrigerant. The new Systemair rooftops range is operating with the R32 refrigerant. With a GWP, global warming potential, of 675, this refrigerant is 3 times less polluting than the standard R410A, meaning a direct reduction of CO2 emissions. To go even further, Systemair R32 is equipped with new heat exchangers allowing a refrigerant charge reduction of 40%. Systemair R32 units have very good acoustic performance. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. China condensing unit market development in 2020. BSRIA and the Chinese Association of Refrigeration jointly released the UNQUAT 2020 China Refrigeration Industry Development Report UNQUAT at the Shanghai Refrigeration Exhibition on April 8, 2021. The report analyzes development and changes in the condensing unit (CDU) market in 2020 and summarizes current challenges faced by the industry. China's cold chain logistics industry presents fast growth. Condensing units, as the core part of the refrigeration system, maintain steady growth. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Carrier commercial refrigeration adjusts pricing due to increased commodity costs. Since the start of the pandemic in early 2020, Carrier commercial refrigeration EMEA teams have shown continued support in securing the high level of service as in normal times, from rescheduling store remodeling projects, deliveries and commissioning, as well as holding finished goods inventories. As countries have started to ease restrictions and return to normalcy, this has enabled economic recovery. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Reefer service and Refrigeration Tijuana named Carrier Transicold Dealers of the Year. Reefer Service Incorporated of Hudsonville, Michigan, and Refrigeration Tijuana S. de RL de CV of Tijuana, Mexico, have been named Carrier Transicold's 2020 Dealers of the Year for North America and Latin America, respectively. In a year that challenged norms like never before, our entire dealer network adapted and responded with the kind of customer-centric performance required to serve an essential industry that is constantly on the move, said Mike Noyes, Vice President and General Manager, Truck Trailer Americas, Carrier Transicold. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. UNFI adopts emerging technology from PLM. United Natural Foods Incorporated announced it is adding 53 all-electric transport refrigerated trailer units, TRUs, to its fleet located at the company's Riverside, California, distribution center. This effort is in keeping with UNFI's Better for All 2030 environmental, social and governance, ESG, agenda, and the company's bold commitments to take innovative action on global social and environmental issues that help transform the future of food. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. KOXKA strengthens its specialization in efficient installations with CO2. After the successful startup of the first transcritical CO2 refrigeration installation for a Mettler origin, KOXKA is committed to continue growing and innovating in the energy efficiency of its products. Following the updating of national and European regulations in the refrigeration sector, KOXKA intends to take the lead and establish itself as a brand specializing in efficient installations designed with an ecological and rational perspective in favor of the environment. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Phononic partners with Mars to deploy solid-state merchandising freezers across North America. Phononic Incorporated, a provider cooling and heating technology, has partnered with Mars to deploy its innovative solid-state merchandising freezers at approximately 1,500 Circle K retail convenience stores in 14 regions across North America, kicking off the 2021 ice cream season. Building off of a successful year-long pilot in the Southeast region that saw a significant increase in incremental year-over-year ice cream sales, read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.